Hi, you are watching Kids Screen Learning.
Hi kids, today we learn about some animals. Dog. Dog. Cat. Cat. Rabbit. Rabbit. Cow. Cow. Chicken. Chicken. Elephant. Elephant. Lion. Lion. Monkey. Monkey. Bear. Bear. Tiger. Tiger. Giraffe. Giraffe. Crocodile. Crocodile. Zoo animals.
Monkey. Monkey. Camel. Camel. Deer. Deer. Bear. Bear. Giraffe. Giraffe. Panda. Panda. Tiger. Tiger. Elephant. Elephant. Lion. Farm animals.
Goat. Goat.
The goat on the farm goes ma 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 all day long. The horse on the farm goes neigh neigh
Horse.
neigh 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 neigh. The horse on the farm goes neigh 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 all day long. The dog on the farm goes woof woof
Dog.
woof 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 woof. The dog on the farm goes woof 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 all day long. The cat on the farm goes
Cat.
meow 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 meow. The cat on the farm goes meow 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 all day long. The donkey on the farm goes hee haw,
Donkey.
hee haw, hee haw, hee haw, hee haw, hee haw. The donkey on the farm goes hee haw all day long. The rooster on
Rooster.
the farm goes cock-a-doodle-doo,
Rooster.
cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. The rooster on the farm goes cock-a-doodle-doo all day long. The hen on the farm goes cluck,
Hen.
cluck, 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 cluck. The hen on the farm goes cluck, cluck, cluck all day long. The rabbit
Rabbit.
on the farm goes hop,
Rabbit.
hop, 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 hop. The rabbit on the farm goes hop, hop, hop all day long. The sheep
Sheep.
on the farm goes ba
Sheep.
ba 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 ba. The sheep on the farm goes ba 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 all day long. The
Camel.
on the farm goes
Camel.
coo 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 coo. The camel on the farm goes coo 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 all day long.
Duck.
Duck on the farm
Duck.
goes quack 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 quack. The duck on the farm goes quack, quack, quack all day long. The cow,
Cow.
on the farm goes moo,
Cow.
moo, 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 moo. The cow on the farm goes moo, moo, moo all day long. The
Parrot.
on the farm goes
Parrot.
squawk, 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 squawk. The parrot on the farm goes squawk, squawk, squawk all day long.
Sea animals.
So deep and blue, swim with the fish, they're fun to
Whale.
view. Here comes a dolphin jumping
Whale.
high, splashing and splashing as it sails by. Under the sea, what can we see? So many creatures, wild
Sea
and
turtle.
free. Under
Sea
the
turtle.
sea, come take a dive. Let's swim together and feel alive. A friendly octopus with arms
Dolphin.
so long waves them around in a wiggly
Dolphin.
song. The turtles are swimming so slow and neat. With their little flippers, they glide in the deep. Under the sea, what can we see?
Starfish.
So many creatures, wild and free.
Starfish.
Under the sea, come take a dive. Let's swim together and feel alive.
Tuna.
A friendly octopus with
Tuna.
arms so long waves them around in a wiggly song. The turtles are swimming so slow and neat. With their little flippers, they glide in the deep. Look at
Crab.
the jellyfish floating by. With their soft glowing
Crab.
bodies, they fly. And don't forget the starfish bright, sitting on the ocean floor in the light. Under the sea,
Shark.
what can we see?
Shark.
So many creatures, wild and free. Under the sea, come take a dive. Let's swim together and feel alive.
Stingray.
A friendly octopus
Stingray.
with arms so long waves them around in a wiggly song. The turtles are swimming so slow and neat. With their little flippers, they
Sea
glide
snail.
in the deep. Look at the
Sea snail.
jellyfish floating by. With their soft glowing bodies, they fly. And don't forget the starfish bright, sitting on the ocean
Seal.
floor in the light.
Seal.
Under the sea, what can we see? So many creatures, wild and free. Under the sea, come
Jellyfish.
take a dive. Let's swim
Jellyfish.
together and feel alive. Let's swim together and feel alive.
Clams.
Under the sea,
Clams.
so deep and blue, swim with the fish, they're fun to view. Here comes a dolphin jumping high, splashing and splashing as it sails by. Under the sea,
Seahorse.
what can we see?
Seahorse.
So many creatures, wild and free. Under the sea, come take a dive. Let's swim together and
Octopus.
feel alive.
Octopus.
A friendly octopus with arms so long waves them around in a wiggly song. The turtles are swimming so slow and neat. With their little flippers, they
Clownfish.
glide in the deep. Under the sea,
Clownfish.
what can we see? So many creatures, wild and free.
Swordfish.
Let's swim together and feel
Swordfish.
alive. A friendly octopus with arms so long waves them around in a wiggly song. The turtles are swimming so slow and neat.
Squid.
With their little flippers, they glide in the deep.
Squid.
Look at the jellyfish floating by. With their soft glowing bodies they fly. And don't forget the starfish bright, sitting on the ocean floor in the light.
Shrimp.
Under
Shrimp.
the sea, what can we see? So many creatures wild and free. Under the sea, come take a dive.
Walrus.
Let's swim together and feel
Walrus.
alive. A friendly octopus with arms so long waves them around in a wiggly song. The turtles are swimming.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.